All right, Amy.
Yeah.
The only thing holding you here are your feet. So
Oh God! Oh, so that's the go.
We're going on our way to Adventures something to go ziplining.
These Empower Adventures.
Yes, we're going on our way to Empower Adventures to go ziplining. This is Lauren and we're super freaking excited. Lauren,
very excited.
Tell everybody how excited we are to go ziplining.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. So we woke up a little late this morning, as per due to some post-nighttime activities. And so we're a little late, but it's fine. We don't know if they're gonna let us in or if they're gonna tell us to go home. But we already paid, so hopefully they let us in. We don't know. And so I'm looking forward to it, whether we get turned down or not. It'll be an adventure in itself. We don't really know. And right now we're on our way, and I don't know where we are. Yeah, okay, well, we're gonna go ziplining now. See you soon.
What do you have to say, Lauren? This is terrifying, but also really fun. The adrenaline's definitely going.
Adrenaline's going.
It's so pretty. It is super pretty up here. Yes!
We're doing great!
Because of the view. So from here, if you look over our obstacles over there, that other big platform, you look right.
The peace sign.
Alright, the peace sign. Now, RJ. And the hose. Let's see it. Yeah.
Backs here.
On the blocks?
Sure thing.
Alright.
It actually makes it easier for me to put all
yeah,
of this right here. Exactly. And it makes it a lot more comfortable for you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Zipping Amy.
Alright, here we go. Oh God, it's time. It's time. Okay, it's time. Oh my God, I'm nervous.
Nice job with the mark from Amy.
Yeah, totally. Woo, go Lauren! Ready? Okay.
Yeah, you did it! Woo! Okay, God, now sorry.
Good job, Lauren.
Alright. Oh god.
How are we feeling, Lauren?
Alright guys, so welcome to our level 2 obstacle. Like this. So, my preferred method is with the middle of my foot like this. Some people prefer to tightrope walk it like this. I think that's much harder. So, also, one thing to note, don't look down. There's nothing down there except for some crabs and depression. So, go ahead, when in doubt, booty up! Okay. Every time.
Wobbly.
Leave us wobbling, we don't fall down.
That's right. Oh, God. Yeah, you got this.
See you, Lauren.
A lot better than over there. I didn't like that.
You're feeling a lot better than the obstacle course.
The obstacle course was very, it was very challenging. I might have cried a little bit.
Just a little bit. She only cried a little bit. It's fine.
It's fine.
Quick recoveries. That's what we're all about.
Waterproof mascara.
Retweet.
Perfect. That's it, Lauren. Lean on up for me. Perfect.
Yes! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! So we just got back. What rating would you give it?
I mean, our guides are really great. They're
Yeah.
awesome. They're super
Shout
funny.
out to Colin and Jake. How are we ever gonna link them reviews
Oh,
now?
I feel bad.
But they were super nice.
They were.
Super
And the
fun.
lady who checked us in, she was super nice too.
Yeah, shout out to
Our group.
Teresa.
Yeah, loved her.
She was awesome. And we had an awesome group. I couldn't have asked for a better
Yeah,
experience.
they're very
I would say.
encouraging, and everyone like.
Yeah.
There's some boss people that like.
Boss.
Yeah, they did. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
they made those courses look easy.
Yeah, it was crazy. Really, it was a mind game, I think.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And we're really, really excited to get food. And yeah, so if you like what you saw today, check out Empower Adventures Tampa Bay, or they also have a location in DC/Virginia area for anyone there, and I think
There might have been another one,
but yeah, check them out, and also hit the big thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, bye guys, see you next time.